Okay, Matt, here's the clock. Really nice wood. Here's the, I think it's called the bonnet. And here's the works. I think it's all there. When I had it before I took it, took it off. Everything seemed to be there that would power the face. This is interesting. This is the bell. It says Weir and Dairy cast. Just cleaned it up. Over here, the hands, which I find very interesting. This has got kind of like a little locking mechanism. A square hole and a round hole. It's brass. I think it's original. Seems to be. And this is the face. Just got it was really rough, so I took it off, and I kind of a what have I got to lose thing. And using some Bondo. It's got the calendar on the back. It's got some potentially nice artwork, all gold leaf underneath. So, if you ever want to use the word potential, everything seems to indicate that it's 1775 to 1810, somewhere in that area. So this is the calendar. A little dirty. Okay, I'm going to bring this to the shop and show you.